Hi, to record calls on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to download additional app. And for that, open your Play Store first, and here manually input this phrase Cube ACR. After that, find this app and simply download it. Now let's open it. And we will need to agree to some permissions first. So let's tap Next and tap Grant Permissions. Now here choose while using the app, allow everything you see on the screen. And now we need to disable power optimization for this app, so let's tap OK and tap Allow. If you want to, you can enable location or here tap No Thanks and skip Premium. And once more. So at this point we need to install additional app which is named Cube ACR Helper. So for that we'll need to open another app which is Galaxy Store, because this app is unavailable in Google Play unfortunately. So open your Galaxy Store, tap on search bar and enter Cube ACR Helper and install this app as well. Now let's tap to open, tap Next, and also grant permissions. As we did before, allow everything you see on the screen. And now we need to enable App Connector. So let's tap here, go in Installed Apps, choose Cube ACR App Connector, and tap here to turn on, and tap Allow. And now we need to disable power optimization, so let's tap OK and tap Allow. And now Helper setup is complete, so we need to open our first app, Cube ACR. So now I'm just calling myself, and I'm gonna accept this incoming call, mute everything, and let's wait about 5 seconds till we can hang out this call, just like that. And let's check whether it was recorded or not. And yep, you can even see the name of your caller. So you can see caller ID here. You can tap this recording, play it, skip forward, and so on. Tap on 3 dots. Here you can delete it if needed. You can tap on name of the person and disable auto record here. So that's it, how you can record calls on Samsung Galaxy S25. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.